There is AI in general, and then there's Gen AI, right? So when we say the US has a lead right now, it's only in Gen AI. And even within Gen AI, it's not really an absolute lead. There's many examples of good developments happening from outside the US. Like, for example, Mistral in France is a very powerful large language models. Stable Diffusion in the UK is another very powerful one. United Arab Emirates, they have Falcon, which is a very good foundational model, and they also have JIAS, which is a model optimized for Arabic. Qatar has an amazing model and a company called Canary AI that can do very accurate speech transcription for many Arabic dialects in the same way and how they change across different countries, but also even within the same country you can have many dialects. Not only can they recognize it very well, they can do text to speech also with these same accents and these same dialects. And then last but not least, here in Saudi Arabia, we have, I think in Corta, I'm on their board of directors. They were bragging yesterday about a new model that beats GPT-4 when it comes to assessing the sentiment of customer communication or social media communication when you're upset or happy, etc., etc. So it's a very long way of saying I don't think the US has a major lead. They have a decent lead, but not such a huge lead. Now that said, I will also say it's not about the foundational models, it's what you do with them that matters. So foundational models are like the tractor. If you don't use the tractor to grow new crops in the field very efficiently, who cares that you have the tractor, right? That's not a lead. And that's the power that the emergent markets have. Is they now can leapfrog right away. It's very similar to how the fintech revolution, how many countries just jumped directly to enabling banking on the mobile and just kept doing branches altogether. Or many emerging countries skipped the phone lines. They don't have to put phone lines in the ground anymore and just jump to mobile right away, etc., etc. There's many of these examples where because the technology was born outside, the emerging market moves way quicker and they don't have the legacy that they have to worry about. So I'm actually very bullish on how many of the emerging markets will create massive economic opportunities because of that.